Good morning, awesome people. It is Thursday, and I am getting excited about our class that's coming up here in a very short period of time. So this video is not a vlog so much as it is a bit of a planning meeting between you and I. So here's my theory. I would like to try and see if we can do this class on Discord. If you haven't downloaded Discord yet, get it. What it's going to allow us the opportunity to do is you will obviously see my video, you will see my screen capture, you'll see my software that I draw in and, that I teach in. But since we have so few students right now, we only have 2 students, and everyone's welcome to join who sees this. What I would like to do is to try and do this on Discord so that we can open up the opportunity for people to talk to each other, for me to talk to you and you to talk to me, and we actually have a class where we can bounce off of each other. That's the theory that I'm having right now. I'm going to do a little bit more research on it because I got to make sure that these Discord sessions can be private. And because obviously you are paying for this, and we want to make sure that if you're paying for this by being a patron, that you get what you deserve. I'm really excited about this. Don't forget, it's on Saturday, and it's from 12 to 2 Mountain Time, okay? And I will leave you notifications and let you know all that stuff as we get closer to it. I'm so excited and so thankful for the 2 people that have registered. They are either invested in the hopes of becoming great caricaturists, or they've been invested in this YouTube channel since pretty much day one, which is amazing on both accounts. I cannot wait to work with the 2 students I have right now. If you're interested in joining the classes, it's going to be once a month. For right now, if people enjoy it, I will make it more than once a month, but I need to see a bunch of people come in and make it worth that time and that effort. Help me grow it. That would be amazing. But I just wanted to make that little planning session. The goal is that you're going to probably want to expect a Discord link that will be put on Patreon. You'll click on that, and it will take you to our Discord session where if you have a microphone and if you have a web camera, or you just have a web camera because microphones are built in these days, you can take part of the conversation, and this isn't just a one-sided class. You can ask questions, and we actually kind of move forward in the training by working together to get you there. I gotta go. I got a bunch of stuff to do this morning. I'm a morning show host by day, and then by night I'm an art teacher and an artist and everything else that I do. So I can't wait to see you guys on Saturday, and thank you so very much for not only trusting me with your art future, but investing in my company, investing in this effort. That means a lot to me. God bless you. I will see you all later. You try and behave yourselves, and if not, make sure you draw whatever you're misbehaving in. I'll see you all later. Bye.